Welcome, here I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here as you can see we have to slide a little bit to photo settings category, and now we can find the composition line option, so let's pick it to get access to 4 types of grid lines. Let me start with standard grid. When we move back to the camera, now we get access to these lines in the preview, so this is how they look like, and they are useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Another tap to right corner button to composition line, and let's move to golden section. So for now in the preview we have this spiral in line, and this is also useful when we want to, for example, making experiments with composition at our picture. Let me show you also the next one, reticle. So now in the preview we have this type of view, and the last one here is the box. So for now we have this type of grid, and of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo. So when I take a picture and when I move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner settings to composition line and pick whatever we need or just close them. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.